Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from Cos Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. I hope you all are well. Today is the first day I've felt normal in about 7 days. Been fighting a bad sinus infection, and then I'm a very busy person, meaning I choose to be busy, and when this kind of thing happens, which doesn't happen very often, it knocks me on my socks, and I'm not one to lay around in bed, but I kind of had to. And I came on out here feeling a little bit energized, and I wanted to do a little bit of painting and collage work. I know that my journey started out with fluid art, and fluid art is extremely important to me, and I am passionate about it, but I've also become passionate about some collage work, which you can incorporate your fluid art into. So I'm just learning, I'm experimenting, and I hope that you all will come along on this journey with me. I'm working on a wood cradle board. I don't know what size this is, a 10 by 14 maybe. And I had gotten a while back some new piggies. And when I get a new piggy, I mix them up and I kind of slop them around just to look at them. So that's what you see here, kind of like an ombre, but most likely I will cover most of this up. I got some lovely papers, some lovely Cozo papers, and they make me happy. A lot of them are just bits and pieces. I have a very big tub that I keep over near my collage section. And I keep every bit and piece that I tear. I mean, I don't keep the tiny little baby things, but I keep things, and I have enough bits and pieces in this big old tub of bits and pieces to make 10 more collages. So I'm kind of going through it and pulling out some things, some gorgeous Cozo papers, some beautiful Mulberry papers. This is a wonderful Cozo paper. When you glue it down with your gel gloss medium, a lot of it goes transparent. So I'm gonna fiddle. I'm gonna fiddle a little bit, kind of get me back into the zone that I have been missing. I've also got some stencils here from joggles.com. One of my favorite stencils is from a very, very sweet woman and a good friend of mine, Darlene Floetrol from Floetrol Art. If you don't know who she is, please go check her out. There'll be a link in the description box. She's talented, creative, and a joy to watch. I guarantee she'll make you smile. But this is her dance move stencils, and I'll probably pick one or two to use on the collage. And if I do, what I do is I take golden extra heavy molding paste and I put it on a paper plate, and then I add some color to it, mix it up real good, and then apply it to my stencil using either a palette knife or a popsicle stick, whatever comes in handy. But joggles.com, there'll be a link as well in the description box. They have some marvelous, marvelous stencils. And then Mead and Paints. Mead and Paints sent me a wonderful box, which I'm excited about, and it's great for jelly prints because you're almost forced to let just a little bit out of the tube, but every color imaginable is in this box, and I thought I might match up some colors and use that with my heavy gel gloss for stencil work. I also have here some Liquitex acrylic inks, which I might fiddle with as well. I have a lot more, but I have packed them. Most of my gadgets and things have been packed up because this coming week it is the Fluid Art with Friends in Florida here with Darling Canella, and one of the classes that I am teaching is a collage class. So I packed up a whole bunch of bins of all the wonderful things that I have collected to fiddle with. So that's what I'm doing, a little painting, a little stenciling, a little fabrics, a little alcohol ink, and who knows what else, guys. So let's put some music on. Let's get busy.
the game, I am willing to jump. 'Cause I've been thinking about crossing the line and just giving. Can I feel it the way I do? Cause I've been thinking about you all the time, can't get enough. I wanna make it with you. This time I'm gonna be true. Only you move me to the rhythm. Only you move me to the rhythm. Only you move me to the rhythm. We can't pretend that we have changed yet, but who are we kidding? Kidding. We can't pretend that we feel nothing and keep it hidden now. 'Cause I've been thinking about crossing the line and just giving. Can I feel it the way I do? 'Cause I've been thinking about you all the time, can't get enough. I wanna make it with you. This time I'm gonna be true. Only you move me to the rhythm. 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 Got to know you before you faded away. I got to know you, got to love you.